Let's read the question now. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number which is a prime number and lies between 2 and 6. You see, when a die is thrown, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first question, the probability of getting a prime number. What are the prime numbers in the numbers from 1 to 6? The prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. So they are 3 in number. So the probability of getting a prime number is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Next one, probability of getting a number that lies between 2 and 6. What are the numbers that lies between 2 and 6? 3, 4, 5. They are also 3 in number. So the probability is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Next one, a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a composite number, a prime number. You see, when a die is thrown, the numbers that you get are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first one, you have to find the probability of getting a composite number. Out of these 6 numbers, what are the composite numbers? 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is prime, 3 is prime. So the first composite number is 4. Then 5 is also a prime, then 6 is a composite number. So 4 and 6 are the composite number. So they are 2. So the probability of getting a composite number is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Next one, a prime number. 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So they are 3 in number. So the probability of getting a prime number is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Next one, a bag contains 15 balls, out of which some are white and others are black. So the bag contains 15 balls and that is either white or black. Okay, the balls are either white or black. If the probability of drawing a black ball at random from the bag is 2 by 3, it is given that probability of drawing a black ball is 2 by 3, then find how many balls are there in the bag. Now, let us assume that the number of white balls in the bag, let it be x. So, x white balls are there. Then what will be the number of black balls? Total balls 15. X are white. Then what will be the number of black? Number of black balls will be 15 minus x. Now it is given that the probability of getting a black ball is 2 by 3. Now what is probability of getting a black ball? What is the number of black balls? Number of black balls is 15 minus x. Out of total how many balls are there? Out of 15 balls. So the probability of black ball is 15 minus x by 15. It is given that this is equal to 2 by 3. Now when you cross multiply, you will be getting 13 into 3, that is 45, minus 3 into x, 3x equals 15 into 2, 30. Now minus 3x is equal to minus 15. You can find the value of x as you will get the value of x as 5. Now what is x? X is the number of white balls. I think it is clear to you. It is given that there are 15 balls. X are white, then black will be 15 minus x. Probability of black will be 15 minus x by 15, that is equal to 2 by 3. When you solve, you can find the value of x. Next one. A bag contains some balls of which x are white, 2x are black, 3x are red. Okay, so 3 types of balls. The first one, white, x in number, black, 2x in number, red, 3x in number. A ball is selected at random. What is the probability that it is not red? Not red means that will be white and black. How many white balls are there? X. How many black balls are there? 2x. So what's the sum of white and black balls? X plus 2x, that is 3x. Out of how many balls are there? Total number of balls is 6x. 1x plus 2x plus 3x. So total number of balls is 6x. Now the probability is not red equals probability of the number of white plus black. White balls are x in number, black balls are 2x in number. So probability is 3x by 6x. That is x gets cancelled, 3 and 6 get cancelled. You will be getting the value as 1 by 2. Now the probability of getting a white ball. You see, total number of balls, that is 6x. What is how many white balls are there? X white balls are there. So the probability of drawing a white ball is x by 6x, that is 1 by 6. Next one. All kings, queens and jacks are removed from a pack of 52 cards. The remaining cards are well shuffled and a card is drawn from it at random. You see, from a deck of 52 playing cards, all kings, queens and jacks are removed. That means all face cards are removed. You know there are 12 face cards. So from a deck of 52 cards, all the face cards, that is 12 cards are removed. Now how many cards will be remaining? 52 minus 12, that is 40 cards are there. Okay. Now you have to find the probability of getting a black face card. You see, all face cards are removed. So there is no black face card again. Okay. So the probability will be 0. Probability of getting a black face card is 0. Why? Because all face cards are removed. The second one, probability of getting a red card. You see, how many red cards are there? 13 plus 13, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds. Total 26 red cards are there. Out of this 26, 6 are face cards. So here it is given that the face cards are already removed. So 26 minus 6, 20 red cards will be there. I think it is clear to you. Total number of red cards, that is 26. Out of this 26, all the red face cards are removed. That 6 face cards are removed. So remaining red cards 20 in number. So what will be the probability of getting a red card? 20 by 40. That is 1 by 2. Now the next one, what is the probability of getting an ace? You know there are 4 aces in a deck of 52 cards. So probability of getting an ace is 4 by 40, that is 1 by 10. Next question. In a single throw of a pair of different dice, what is the probability of getting a prime number on each dice? The first one is you have to find the prime number, probability of getting a prime number on each dice. You are throwing 2 dice at a time. So the sample space, you know how to write it. The sample space is given. Now what are the favorable outcomes? The favorable outcomes are 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. You see, they are prime numbers. Okay. Then 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5. So these are the favorable outcomes, because you see all these numbers appearing on the 2 dice are prime numbers. Okay. So they are 9 in number. So there are 9 outcomes, 9 favorable outcomes. So what is the probability of getting a prime on each dice? 9 by 36, that is 1 by 4. The next one, a total of 9 or 11. So let us find what are the favorable outcomes. That when you add the numbers on 2 dice, you should get either 9 or 11. The favorable outcomes are 3, 6. You see, when you add, you will be getting 9. 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3. In all these cases, you are getting 9. Now, 5, 6, you are getting 11. 6, 5, when you add, you get 11. So, probability of getting 9 or 11 on adding the numbers appearing on the 2 dice, that is 6 in number. There are 6 favorable outcomes. So, what is the probability? The probability is 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. Next question. All red face cards are removed from a pack of playing cards. The remaining cards were well shuffled and then a card is drawn at random from them. Find the probability that the drawn card is a red card, a face card, a card of clubs. You see, you know there are 52 cards in a deck of playing cards. What is given? It is given that all red face cards are removed. How many red face cards are there? In hearts, 3 red face card. In diamond also you have 3 red face cards. So 6 red face cards are there and all these 6 cards are removed. So what are the number of remaining cards? That is 52 minus 6, that is 46. So that is the total possible outcomes. Okay, that is 46. Remaining cards, that is 46. Now the first question you have to find out what is the probability of getting a red card. You see, total number of red cards, that is 26. Out of this 26, 3 plus 3, 6 face cards are removed. So 20 cards are remaining. So what is the probability? The probability of getting a red card is 20 divided by 46. That is 10 by 23. Now the next question, what is the probability of getting a face card? You see, in red you have 6 face cards, that is removed. Now the face cards remaining are from clubs and spades. That is 6 face cards are remaining. They are black in color. So what is the probability of getting a face card now? That is 6 by 46. That is 3 by 23. Now the last one, the probability of getting a card of clubs. You know, there are 13 clubs cards are there. Spade also 13. Diamond 13. Hearts 13. Now what is the probability of getting card of clubs? There are 13 cards are there. So what's the probability? That is 13 divided by 46. Next one. A box contains 80 discs which are numbered from 1 to 80. So 80 discs are there, numbered from 1 to 80. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a perfect square number. You have to find the perfect squares from 1 to 80. They are 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, just like 8 square 64. If you take 9 square, it becomes 81. That is not possible. So 8 square 64 is the last perfect square, just below 80. So how many are there? There are 8 numbers are there. 8 perfect squares are there. So what is the probability of getting a perfect square? 8